So if you know me at all, you know that I'm a big fan of not leaving my apartment and living the life of a hermit. But an interesting side effect to this quarantine life that I'm naturally good at is I'm finding myself missing putting together an outfit in the morning and walking out the door with that instant act of self-expression. Do you know what I mean? It's funny, during this lockdown time, I'm able to enjoy my interior style more than ever, but my personal style is pretty much non-existent now. Basically, it's just band t-shirts and no pants. So I decided to take some time and put together some outfits that are comfortable enough to wear at home, yet still satisfy that desire I have to express my personal style, even if no one is here to see it. And if you watched my recent closet clean out video, you know that I just went through my drawer of comfy shirts, which previously was overflowing. So I am primed and ready to create some cute, comfy outfits with those shirts. I'll link to that video in the description below. I highly recommend doing a closet clean out video. No, not a video. You don't have to do a video. I highly recommend doing a closet clean out during this time because it makes it so much easier to find the motivation to put an outfit together. My overflowing drawer was enough to make me say fuck it over and over again every time I contemplated putting a cute, comfy outfit together. So now that I have my closet under control, I'm gonna give you a little lookbook of cozy at-home outfits that will hopefully inspire you to look through your closet and find new ways to express your style at home. So without further ado, I present to you my lookbook of cozy outfits for quarantine. What am I doing? So this cozy outfit lookbook is going to be made up of 7 graphic tees, 2 types of bottoms, and 4 sweaters/dusters. Nice and easy. And if you're working from home and have to get on Zoom meetings throughout the day, each outfit I create here can be converted to a more professional, Zoom-ready look in under a minute, which I will demonstrate. Now on to look number 1, my Black Sabbath shirt paired with my orange velvet duster from Target. If your eyes are sensitive to bright light, I suggest putting on a pair of sunglasses for the duration of this video because there's gonna be a lot of pale leg action from here on out. So my first tip for putting together a quarantine outfit is to lean into the casualness of it. Let's not lie to ourselves, we're at home. Unless you enjoy dressing fancy at home when no one but your cat can see you, respect. Embrace the fact that casual now reigns supreme in our newly hermit-like existences. So have fun with casual, get creative with casual. And if you're working from home and you feel like you need to look more professional for Zoom meetings, here's my quick trick for making your outfit Zoom ready in under a minute. Just turn your graphic tee backwards and use a sweater, duster, or a lightweight blazer to elevate it. You'll go from apartment casual to video conference professional just like that. Now for look number 2, my Sublime shirt paired with a cozy brown cardigan from Target. My next tip for putting together a stylish at-home outfit is to utilize your sweaters, cardigans, dusters, etc. to create a layered look. Layers are such an easy way to elevate a casual outfit. My one beef with this piece of advice I'm giving is that I personally have a hard time wearing sweaters around the apartment because I get way too hot, which is one of the reasons why I simply don't wear pants most of the time in here. But since you likely do not have the body temperature of 1,000 blazing suns like I do, I stand by this advice. That's why you're seeing me go from shorts to leggings with each of these outfits. I added the leggings not only to show the versatility of each outfit, but also because I know that many women are always cold, and I'm looking out for you guys too. And now here's look number 3, my Doors shirt with my Johnny Was velvet duster, also known as a kimono, but honestly I feel weird calling them kimonos because technically they're just not. So let's call them what they are. They're dusters. This leads me to my next tip. A boho style floral duster is basically a key to instant style that's also comfortable. It's like this magical piece of clothing that's cozy and easy to move in, yet is crazy stylish at the same time and will make you feel like you're lounging in your French boudoir being fed grapes by your manservant. I highly recommend you get one. This one I'm wearing here was quite the splurge for me, it being from Johnny Was, but trust me, you could go on Amazon or Target's website and find a cute floral duster there for like 30 bucks. Look 4 is all about leaning into the witchy vibe I often like to go for with this moon shirt I got from Etsy and this black sweater from Target. Yes, another Target item. My next tip is to indulge in your dark side a bit, if you're feeling like it. Just because you're at home doesn't mean you have to shy away from getting a little edgy with your style. Get down with your goth self. I basically find a great deal of empowerment by dressing as though I could cast a spell on a poor defenseless man at any given moment. For the record, I have no such power, but I enjoy dressing like I do. So if you're anything like me, have fun with the dark side of your style, even when it's just you and your cat at home. If anything, your cat will actually enhance your witchy style and cover your black outfit with cat hair. So, yeah. Look number 5 is my Jimi Hendrix shirt paired with the same orange duster I paired with my Black Sabbath shirt earlier. You're probably seeing a common theme with most of my graphic tees in that they tend to be music oriented, which leads me to my next tip. Since this time of quarantine is perfect for getting some serious wear out of your graphic tees, I recommend finding graphic tees that display something you truly love. Since we're not putting together super fashionable outfits the way we might if we weren't living like mole people right now, a good alternative to that kind of satisfaction is to wear graphic tees that express our passions and interests. And again, if video conferencing professionalism is a concern for your work from home situation, just turn that Jimi Hendrix tee backwards, my friend. Now it's time for look number 6. Literally everything I'm wearing in this look is from Target because I'm 100% that bitch. You'd think at this point my next tip should just be shop at Target, but I feel like that's implied if you watch any of my videos, so to avoid redundancy, the next tip will be about getting ready in the morning. Specifically, the positive impact getting ready in the morning has on your brain. So this is something I'm still working on. I definitely find it difficult to summon the motivation to do my hair and makeup when no one is around to see what I look like in person. I now exist only as a pixelated version of myself on a computer screen to my coworkers in Zoomland. So if people are only going to see a low definition version of my face on a screen, why bother? Well, it's a matter of mindset, not so much vanity. It's about self-care, the value of a morning routine, and simply the confidence that comes from taking time for yourself like that. Tell me in the comments, have you kept up a morning routine in quarantine? Have you been doing your makeup and hair and such? Or do you struggle with it like I do? Tell me below. The last look in this video features my sweet-ass Sailor Moon shirt, perfect for those action-packed quarantine days of fighting evil by moonlight and winning love by daylight. In all seriousness, or as much seriousness as I can muster while wearing a Sailor Moon shirt, this brings me to my final tip, which is actually a tip I gave in my living room tour video regarding home decor. I'll link to that in the description. And that's to let your geek flag fly. When it comes to home decor, fashion, or any act of creative expression, leaning into the things that other people might find geeky is such a great way to have fun with your style and be true to yourself. And at the end of the day, all we have right now on a daily basis is ourselves and whoever else lives with us. But what I mean is we're not interacting with people like we did before. This is a time to truly exist as ourselves. Let's take advantage of it. And maybe we'll somehow come out of this quarantine chrysalis and emerge as badass, self-assured butterflies. Plus, we get to spend more time with our cats than ever before, and I see that as a win. So there you go. That is my lookbook of cozy outfits for quarantine. It's not quite the same as putting a full-blown outfit together and then walking out the door and like walking to work or driving to work, being at work, you know, all the things that we used to do in the before times. But it still gives me that little burst of confidence and motivation and not feeling like a complete sloth around my apartment. It's really all about injecting your days with the little sparks of confidence and little sparks of self-expression that kind of keep you going and keep you inspired. For more apartment lifestyle inspiration and style tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when a new episode goes up every week. And if you want more glimpses into my studio apartment life, follow me on Instagram at moda.misfit. And remember, your apartment and the outfits you're putting together in your apartment is destined to be pretty, and you are pretty powerful.